Good evening to all.
Good evening, sir.
Today we are going to see a case study about sewage monitoring and maintenance systems. Will you please share your ideas about sewage monitoring systems?
Sir, you see, the main problem is in many places there are many people selected for the sewage work, sir. And the, the people will get affected by many diseases. In the sewage, many toxic gases will be there, so that the people get easily affected and they will lose their lives. For this, mainly we have come up with this idea as sewage monitoring and maintenance system.
So the main purpose of this project is to maintain the inaccurate level of water sewage monitoring. This will monitor the water level and before it occurs. And the second is to this project is based on IoT, which is very useful for upcoming generations. So the next advantages of this project is to maintain the gas. First, the gas level execution of gas of methane, it will kill the people. To overcome this, we use this project, and thirdly, it reduces the manpower.
So basically, according to this project, we have used three main components, which are microcontrollers, modules, and sensors. The main controller used here is ESP32, and the sensors used here is the MQ4 methane sensor to detect and monitor the level of methane gas. Nextly, we have used the ultrasonic sensor to monitor the level of the sewage. And the two modules used here are GSM and GPS. GPS is used to track the location of the sewage, and GSM is used to send alert message to the corresponding corporation.
The prototype of our project. So we are using ESP microcontroller, which is the main part of this project. Then we are using ultrasonic sensor, which detect the distance of the sewage level. We are setting the threshold value to the ultrasonic sensor, so that when the sewage level attains threshold value, it will give the alert message and also give the location of the sewage to the responding corporation office, or else we can monitor with the help of IoT. We are using Blink app to see and monitor the distance level and also methane level. So for methane level, we are using MQ4 methane sensor, which detects the methane level. Because the toxicity, when the toxicity increases, there will be a lot of odd smells also. So it will affect the society and surroundings. We are setting the threshold value to the MQ4 methane sensor also. So when the toxic level, the toxic gases releases, before the releases to the threshold value, it will detect and also give the alert message to the responding offices. So we are using GSM and GPS module. GSM will help to send the messages to the offices, and GPS will track the location of the sewage, so that the location will also send it by the GSM module to the responding office. That's all the working principle of this project.
So in conclusion, this sewage monitoring and maintenance system offers precise sewage level measurements and real-time gas detection, and also gives precise measurements. The future works of this projects are, by collaborating with smart city initiatives, we can forecast proactive measures and preventive maintenance, and also we can implement these projects in urban sewage systems to increase the quality of the sewage systems.
I'm having some doubts in your project. Why you are choosing microcontroller especially for your project? Because nowadays we are having a lot of project tools and modules are there. Why you are using especially microcontroller in your projects?
So without the microcontroller, we cannot pass the sensor values to the corresponding offices or devices. Microcontrollers used to get the values from the sensors, and it will passes the signal, output signal to the output devices like the GSM module and the GPS, so that it will the GSM will give the messages to the office.
Have you mentioned your threshold level in your project? Because each and every project having some threshold value. Based on the threshold value only, we have to check whether your project output will be a best one or not. So have you mentioned mentioned threshold value in your projects?
So we can set the threshold values based on our dependencies. It has its own parameters. If the sewage level is based on the sewage level, we can set the threshold levels and set the threshold for
How to
gas detection.
monitoring the gas level?
For that only we have used a Blink app, sir. Through the sensors sense the.
So that we can able to see the consumer
Yes, sir, we can.
processing of gas processing.
We can monitor through our mobiles.
Do you have any suggestion for implementing this project for future?
So we have plans, but yet we have to develop this project furthermore. So after developing, we can implement societies.
Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, sir.